All right, hey Ken, so pleased, man. The summit is rocking. We got Nino DiCosmo for a few minutes here. Nino, man, congratulations on a great job.
Thank you, appreciate it very much. You know, it's been a wonderful experience again. To Niagara Summit 2016, we've had a tremendous amount of positive feedback, all the way from the location and the opening event on Friday night in Champion Square, the keynotes yesterday, Monday morning to kick it off, all the content in the afternoon, just a tremendous amount of positive feedback. And then again this morning with David Pogue, I mean, just did a wonderful job bringing together consumer and commercial and the Internet of Things, and you know, making fun of some things too, right? And just giving everybody a good chance to have some fun. And so we got a great lineup again this afternoon, then a big gala dinner, and I got to tell you, I wish I could tell you that somebody's given us some feedback, says that we could do this better or that better, but we just haven't gotten it yet, and that's great news.
Well, I think it's great news. And I tell you what, you guys are connecting the globe. We look around, we got people from all over the world. There's a buzz here. We're here at the Tritium Niagara booth. And
yep. We've got more than 200 companies represented in over about 25, 30 countries, as I recall. So it's just been a wonderful event. So we're very, very fortunate to have this kind of community and this kind of support. Thanks to you guys for what you do with Control Trends. I mean, you guys are doing a fabulous job. And every time I turn around, somebody said, "Hey, I just spoke to the guys. I just got interviewed," and that was awesome. So thank you.
Well, we appreciate being here. And I tell you what, it's kind of like, you know, to try and put this in some sort of perspective, what you're doing, Nino, and what Niagara's doing. It's a little bit to me like, you know, back in the days when Windows came out with DOS programming and stuff like that, the Microsoft, then Apple came along and looked at doing it completely differently. But what you're doing with the App Store, what you're doing with bringing the community together, I mean, it's a revolution.
Yeah, well, we're excited about it, and you're right. There's, if you look at this global community, what we realized a couple of years ago is that we have to figure out a way to bring them together more than just every 2 years. So you saw my keynote yesterday where we've done that. We've started to extend our forums globally. We've had 6 forums in 3 different regions, right? The Middle East, Germany, we've had them in Beijing and Shanghai. And then we said, look, we've got to find a way to bring that all together on a regular basis. And so we're doing the Tritium Talks and, thank you, the Marketplace. And the Marketplace has gone big quickly. We've got more than 20 partners and 160 plus products that are put out there, and it's starting to get populated with white papers and product reviews, customer reviews of the product, 1-star, 3, 4, 5-star. Good news is a lot of big stars for a lot of these products from our partners. So it's working out real well for us, and we're excited.
Well, Nino, the comments have been so favorable, and I think your vision was articulated very well. It was a very good keynote speech. And then John Sublett followed, and Pranay Prakash followed. People were very excited, but I think there's a lot more coming. The crazy thing about this is you've got the footprint for the future. So tell us a bit more about that.
Yeah, we do. We are excited about it. What we've realized is, you know, Niagara really right now, if you look at the evolution of the technology stack, right now Niagara sits at one layer, right, kind of the gateway layer. And so it's gold there, and a lot of our partners are using it and using it extremely effectively. But what we're also realizing is that there is a lot more power going down to the lower, smaller devices than ever before, storage capacity. And so you can put a lot more software on those devices than ever before, make them more intelligent, build apps, controls down there, right? Instead of just being input-output devices. And then up in the cloud, you can go and say, hey, look, we can go ping those devices and pull that data and start to do a lot of the analytics up in the cloud and reduce the price points by not necessarily having to have the on-site unless you want it, right? And so making Niagara edge to edge, top to bottom, a platform gives more choice to our partners, and that's really where it's all going. And we'd like to lead the evolution. So.
Well, Nino, I tell you what, thanks again for a great show.
You bet,
Nino
man.
DiCosmo, Tritium, tritium.com. Check them out. And hey, if you weren't here this year, be at the next one, because you're missing it if you're not.
Thanks, guys.
The train's left the station.
All right. Thanks, guys.
Thanks, Nino. Good job, man.
Thanks, Nino.
Thanks, buddy.
Wonderful.